Everyone, so this is the Philips Steam Iron, and this is one of the base model of steam iron. There is another variant which is cheaper than this, because there you don't have got this spray thing. We'll talk about that later. So we have bought this from Amazon. This is the model GC1905, and this is a pretty popular model. At least it seems to be in that way on online. So yeah, so there were some details, but that was covered with this Amazon Celotech. So let's see if I can no, I don't think it will touch. Let me type on this one. I think it will seem much more. Okay, so leave it. I'll just cut it. Okay, I was trying to do that because so that you can see all that product name details, voltage, wattage and all. And I forgot the wattage. I believe it is a 1300 watt or something like that. Let's see. So okay, I need to cut on this side as well. So here we go. And there it is. Scan to visit Philips.in. Well, okay, cardboard, nothing special, nothing much. This is how should you keep the iron, not in this way. Okay, and we've got a booklet. Great, fantastic. Steam iron, yeah, it was a 1300 watt steam iron, and nothing much. There are some details like position, possible cause, solution and all. Steam iron. This is the warranty card, it seems. Yeah, warranty card. It has got 2 years of warranty on this product. So yeah, 2 years of warranty, and Philips stuff. Usually they don't break. I have one that non-steam iron ready. That's working fine for last 4-5 years. Yeah, so this is the thing. Here's the model number is mentioned, made in India, and we have got this for silk, wool, cotton, and this is max, and then we have got a minimum silk and all. Minimum, and this one. And I was talking about this thing. So if you press this, from here the water will come out, and yeah, you can this is where you will pour the water, and yeah, so that's all. This is the cable, braided cord. Seems to be good and strong. The quality seems to be strong. It is written max over here and here. I don't know. So yeah, that's all. If you want a review of this product, do let us know in the comment section below. We'll try to do a review of this product. So yeah, that's all. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day ahead.